Welcome to our dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular dishwashers, the EdgeStar BIW 1802 and the Farberware portable countertop dishwasher. We'll look at their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your kitchen. Let's dive in. The EdgeStar BIW 1802 is a built-in dishwasher that requires plumbing and electrical hookups, making it ideal for standard kitchen installations. In contrast, the Farberware portable countertop dishwasher is designed for portability, perfect for small spaces, RVs, or apartments. It doesn't require plumbing, making it easy to set up anywhere. The EdgeStar connects directly to your home's plumbing, providing a continuous water supply for larger loads. On the other hand, the Farberware uses a built-in 5-liter water tank, which requires manual refilling, making it less suitable for larger cleaning tasks but more flexible for small spaces. When it comes to capacity, the EdgeStar can accommodate up to 8 place settings, making it suitable for families or larger households. In contrast, the Farberware is designed for smaller loads, with a capacity of only 2 place settings, which is ideal for individuals or couples. In conclusion, both dishwashers have their unique strengths. The EdgeStar is perfect for those who need a full-size, built-in solution, while the Farberware offers portability and convenience for smaller spaces. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.